Hi everyone, Chef PD back again with another requested recipe, the classic General Tso's chicken. Basically, it's just tender chunks of deep fried chicken meat that's coated with a sweet, slightly spicy and sticky sauce. Now, General Chicken is one of the more popular dishes we served when we operated the Dragon House restaurant from 1972 to 2017. My recipe is a bit different than the ones out there though. Firstly, my sauce is a pineapple juice, vinegar, and hoisin sauce base, while most are soy sauce based. Secondly, the broccoli, carrots, and mushrooms make this dish a little more healthy, and as you will see, makes a better presentation. And as always, if you have not had a chance to subscribe to my channel, please do so now. Okay, without further ado, let's get to work. Let's take a look at the ingredient for the sauce. I have half cup of water, or you can use soup stock. 1 tablespoon hoisin sauce, 2 tablespoon vinegar, 2 tablespoon pineapple juice, 1.5 tablespoon sugar, 1/8 teaspoon white pepper powder, 1 teaspoon dark soy sauce, 1/8 teaspoon sesame oil, 3 tablespoons Kikkoman soy sauce, and I have 2 Thai chili peppers here. You can also use half a teaspoon or more of the red chili flakes or other dried chili peppers if you can. I have 1 teaspoon of minced ginger and 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. Okay, let's put it together. Alright, and basically we're just going to put everything together now. We're going to put the hoisin sauce in, white vinegar, pineapple juice, sugar, and white pepper powder, dark soy. And by the way, I will leave a link below in the description box for the ingredients so you know what I'm talking about. And the recipe will also go down there at the description box. And sesame oil and Kikkoman soy sauce. I like Kikkoman because it's a little sweeter and it's got a little better flavor, but you can use pretty much any soy sauce you like. Mix well. And then the ginger and garlic and the peppers, we're gonna do it in a little bit when we cook the sauce. Okay, let's put the other ingredients together. All right, let's take a look at the rest of the ingredient here. I have a half pound of chicken thigh meat. I just cut it into bite-sized pieces here. And another option is chicken breast. I prefer the chicken thigh meat more, that's all. But you can use chicken breast. We're gonna marinate it with this right here. So I got a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon white pepper powder, a dash of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of rice wine, 1 teaspoon of light soy, 1 tablespoon of water, and then 1/8 teaspoon of white pepper powder. And we're just gonna mix it. See everyone. And normally you want to marinate this for about half hour or more if you can, but we're actually going to use it now. Okay, now for the rest of the ingredient. So what you're going to do is you're going to put 1 egg in here. You got a 1/8 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil. I have a 1/4 cup of cornstarch. And I got water here, but I don't know if I need it yet, so we're just gonna mix it. You might not need it. See, right now it looks like you don't need it. If it's too thick, all you do is add a little bit of water, but right now it looks like we're okay. Okay, now for the rest of the ingredients, I have 2 cups of broccoli, and this is just crown broccoli chopped small. 1 cup of mushrooms sliced, and 1/2 cup of carrots. And basically I just blanched it for about a minute or 2, depending on if you like it crunchy or not. Blanching basically is, set it in boiling water for a minute or 2. That's all you're doing. Okay, let's go cook the sauce. Okay, I know I said I cooked the sauce first, but let's do the chicken first. I got about 1 inch or 1.5 inches of oil. And you can use a skillet too, but I got it in the wok. Just crank it up to about 350 Fahrenheit. Let's see how. Okay, that looks like it's about done. We're gonna deep fry it for about 6 to about 8 minutes. Okay, it's about 7 minutes, or almost 8 minutes. It looks pretty close. Okay, turn off the fire. Take these out and drain in a paper towel. Okay, now we can cook the sauce. Okay, we're gonna heat up the wok again. Get a little oil in here. And some of the viewers are asking what kind of oil I use. I use canola oil, but you could use any vegetable oil. That is fine. Once you get it heated up, now we put the ginger garlic in. And your peppers. Stir fry it for a little bit. If you want sauce really hot, just break it apart. Just break the peppers apart. But I'm not going to do that. It'll be too hot for us. Now you put the sauce in. I think I'll save this for next time. I think this is enough. And bring that to a boil. a little bit of cornstarch and water slurry. I'll put the vegetables in. If you do like a lot of sauce, you can just put the rest in, but right now I think this is just enough to coat it. That's all you need. Okay, I'm going to plate it up. Presenting General Chow's chicken. Okay, for our taste test. Let's see. Oh, tender chicken. Very good flavor. Little bit spicy, but not overwhelming. And I love broccoli. Doesn't this look good though? Good presentation, right? So I hope you get a chance to try this. And please share this recipe with your family and friends. And I will see you at my next video. Thanks for watching. Great, so a bunch of viewers are interested in buying these black t-shirts, Dragon House t-shirts. So if you're interested, please email me at this address down here. Right there, and let me know what size and quantity you want, and then we'll try to get some and get them out to you.